Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel and our New England adventure. If you missed the first episode from Connecticut, I'll link that in the top of this one. Today we're in the beautiful state of Rhode Island. We're starting our day with a famous cliff walk in Newport, followed by a magical experience with the elephant migration, and then wrapping things up with Thomas Dambo's Troll Trail. We're here at the Cliff Walk, one of Rhode Island's most iconic spots. The views of the Atlantic Ocean from this trail are absolutely stunning, and you'll get to see some of the historic Newport mansions along the way. It's a perfect blend of natural beauty and architectural history. Whether you're here for a peaceful stroll or snap some incredible shots, the Cliff Walk never disappoints. Next up, we're headed to something truly unique, the elephant migration. It's a parade of larger-than-life elephant sculptures that symbolize strength and community. They're scattered throughout the area, and each one tells a different story. It's such a creative and powerful way to connect with art and nature at the same time.
Tell your friends, we'll let them know we're safe later on. The road is calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it's gone. I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me.
And now we're on the hunt for Thomas Dambo's trolls. If you don't know, Thomas Dambo is an artist known for his giant wooden trolls that are hidden in the forests around the world. Here in Rhode Island, you can find these amazing trolls nestled along a scenic trail. They're made entirely from recycled materials, and each troll has a unique personality.